So there are lots of happening in sport, and Tahir Bhai is with us today. How are you doing, Tahir Bhai?
Me good, Akib. God is too kind. What about you?
And Tahir Bhai, Ahmed Shahzad has again stated some controversial remark on his YouTube channel. Even he is criticizing the omission of Sajid Khan from the Pakistan squad for South Africa series, and also Fakhar Zaman and Shaheen Afridi from the team. Even though two omissions are the one even which you agree that they should have not been removed from the team. How do you see this, Tahir Bhai? Because Ahmed Shahzad Bhai is always angry on the board.
Akib, whenever any wrong move would be done by the board, not only Ahmed Shahzad or ex-cricketer, every Pakistani will blow up.
Standing for right.
Standing for the right. Look, what was wrong with Sajid Khan and Fakhar Zaman? What they did wrong? They were doing the good thing for Pakistan. But the main bad thing with our board is whoever perform well, his place in the team become very difficult in the upcoming series. I'm sorry to say, which is I'm facing. But unless you perform very bad, you will play for the longer time. Just see the case studies in the past. So I think board should review its decision. Otherwise, we will be struggle badly in upcoming series. So I will request the board, please
Rethink on this policy.
Rethink on this decision, as Ahmed Shahzad is also criticizing. Not only Ahmed Shahzad,
Other cricketers
we
also.
from the Sports Yes channel and Cricket Yes channel
Yes.
also condemning this decision, and other sports ever as well. So I think PCB should review its decision and include them both in this playing 11.
So let's
Otherwise, it will be very difficult for Pakistan to wrap up the series.
Tahir Bhai, I can understand that Sajid might not be a good fit for the South African pitches, but what's wrong with Fakhar Zaman? These conditions suit his batting. He's performed in one-day matches. What is wrong? Even though Saim and Abdullah are performing, but why is not in squad?
Fakhar Zaman has performed very exceptionally well against the Australian bowlers when he put long six to the Stark as well. Who Stark is known to
That was in semi-final.
semi-final, and Stark is known to be very fiery bowler. He is very difficult to handle, but Fakhar played him very smoothly. So I think South African fast, bouncy, pacey pitches were built for the Fakhar Zaman
Because he's a hard hitter.
because he's a hard hitter and slogger. So I think PCB should immediately include Fakhar Zaman in its series, and Ahmed Shahzad is right. Because he thinks for the country, for the betterment of the cricket.
He's performed in match-winning innings. for
Match
Pakistan.
winnings as well. So I think Ahmed Shahzad's anger is justifiable at this point, and PCB should review its policies, especially for Fakhar and Sajid as well.
But Tahir Bhai, they have included him in the Champions T20 Cup, but is a domestic tournament above a big South Africa series. As PCB is just giving lollipop.
Akib, I think the main issue with Fakhar is his disciplinary action, so-called, which was made against him. But
Why is Akib Javed silent? He's from Lahore, Qalandar. Fakhar is a Lahore player also.
I think Akib Javed Bhai's hands are not free at the moment, right? His things might be adjusted by someone else.
Fakhar issues with management.
That's why I think Abdul Basit Bhai was also angry that
Basit Ali, sorry.
Basit Ali, Akib, if you are getting a position in PCB, please raise voice for the Fakhar. Raise voice for the justice with Fakhar. So I think Akib Bhai now in a commanding position, and he should do good for the Fakhar's backstep in the playing 11. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for Pakistani team to maintain its status on a winning note.
And Tahir Bhai, talking about the hockey under-19 Asia Cup, Pakistan, as we were discussing, were playing the final against India and they lost the final. What is wrong with the Pakistani? Even you're saying with the hockey team, why is Pakistan team unable to cross the finishing line in current matches?
Akib, it's a very sorry state of affair that
We saw senior team also.
whenever we play with the India, we lose our sense of humor.
whether hockey or
Whether
cricket,
it's hockey, cricket, anything else.
senior level, junior level.
Despite the kabaddi, only kabaddi is the play in which we always shatter the India in every corner, right? So I think Pakistani teams, whether they are cricket, hockey or whatsoever, they should take India very lightly. They should not think in a way that we haven't won any big tournament in India, against India or anything else, so we can't win this. As in the last series Rizwan said, we won the series after 24 years against Australia. It wasn't mean that we can't win. So he just changed the mindset and mentality, and he proven to be the captain of winning side against especially tough team like Australia.
And Tahir Bhai, lastly, before we conclude this video, you were talking about the pace of Mitchell Stark. How do you see his performance when Indian batsman was sledging him? And today he showed his anger by picking up 6 wickets and destroyed the whole Indian team for just 180 runs.
Akib Stark just shown his attitude and class. it was
And
simply
his experience. And his
and
experience.
experiences. It was simply wow reply to the Indian. He said, "Okay, I am a slow bowler. No
These
issues."
kids are sledging me.
So he just started wearing with the plumb LBW and stole the six wickets of Indian batting line, strong batting line. So I think this is the class, and every youngster should learn from these big players that if anyone sledges you, just prove not only with sledging, just prove with your hard hitting and your bowling skills.
And Tarbhai, as we're talking about bowling, would you want to give any message to Jandar Khan? Because yesterday, bowling last over is always difficult, and sometimes you do get hit for run, and his confidence might be shattered as a young bowler because they lost the match and public is bashing him very badly. It's just a fourth or fifth match. What do you say? A young lad, especially last over bowling, difficult task.
Aki Jandar Khan need a bit more
Experience.
and nurturing by the senior player. That was badly seen in him. I think he's just in a beginning of career. Definitely in the upcoming series we'll see him.
Line length is little wayward.
Not only Jandar Khan, we'll see him his Jandar Khan, right? Powerful man. So I think it's just a beginning of career, and I think Akib Javed should nurture him under his
And he's also an Oracle Under product, Tarbhai.
product as well. So Akib Javed would be very close to his heart, and I will also very close to the heart of Akib Javed. So his bowling skills should be nurtured and fine-tuned by the Akib Bhai and Wasim Akram, so he could be the asset for Pakistani team.
And Tarbhai, do you feel Abbas and Jandar can be the solution to our all-round problem? Because both have hitting ability and both can bowl also.
Definitely, Akib. But the main thing is how longer they can stay in our team. Main
T20
thing
is a very difficult format.
Yeah, main thing is consistency in the team. At the one time you are in the team, but on the other side you are out of the team, whether you are performing exceptionally well. So I think PCB should invest more time and give them free hand to both these
them
players.
more matches.
So they should get mentally prepared that we are for a longer term in the team, and definitely this thing will help them to give their more potential for the winning streak of the team.
And Tarbhai, thank you so much for time. Inshallah, tomorrow again we will have you with another video. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Like, share, subscribe to Courts here for more content like this. Till then, it's goodbye from me and Tarbhai side. Take good care of yourself, and Allah Hafiz, Khuda Hafiz.
Allah.